May my chi guide me towards my truest purpose and highest potential. I bless my chi with clarity of vision and wisdom to navigate life's journey. I bless my mind with divine grace to move in discernment. I declare that my chi is a source of infinite strength and resilience. Divine power flows through my being with ease. May my chi align me with divine love and compassion in all interactions. I find those who I am called to love, and those called to love me find me. I bless my chi with abundance in all aspects of my life: health, wealth, and relationships. All my needs are always met on time in perfect ways. I declare that my chi is a beacon of light, illuminating my path with divine guidance. Divine love paves the way for my success. I am a perfect candidate for favor. My chi is full of strength and empowers me to overcome challenges and obstacles with grace and ease. No weapon fashioned against me can prosper. I bless my chi with unwavering faith. I trust in the universe's divine plan for my life. My chi is full of wisdom to guide me on my path. I declare that my chi is a wellspring of creativity and inspiration. I am always full of life, fully capable to pursue my passions and dreams. I and my chi are full of gratitude for the blessings present in every moment. There are always things present in my life to be thankful for. I bless my chi with the courage to help me step outside my comfort zone and embrace growth. Our path is made clear and easy by divine intelligence. Nothing can stand in the way of my good without falling to the side. I declare that my chi is in perfect harmony with the natural rhythms of divine love. I show kindness to others, and in turn, the world shows kindness to me. My chi brings balance and equilibrium to my mind, body, and spirit. I am one with my Creator as my Creator is one with me. I bless my chi with the power to release all past wounds and embrace forgiveness. Healing is my birthright, and it manifests in my being with ease. I and my chi are in perfect alignment with divine intelligence. My chi enlightens my mind with God-given innovations and insight. May my chi ignite a fire within me to pursue my dreams with passion and determination. I bless my chi with the ability to cultivate deep connections and nurturing relationships. I declare that my chi is a source of boundless joy and inner contentment. May my chi lead me to life authentically and in alignment with my true self. I am destined for great things in the eyes of God. I declare that my chi is a conduit for divine healing energy, restoring balance and vitality into my life with ease. May my chi open my heart to give and receive love unconditionally. I declare that my chi is a source of infinite potential and limitless possibilities. May my chi guide me to make decisions that honor my highest good and the highest good of all. My chi is blessed with the wisdom to discern truth and integrity in all aspects of life. I declare that my chi is a perfect reflection of my divine essence. I am worthy of love and acceptance. May my chi inspire me to live each day with intention and purpose. I bless my chi with the ability and strength to manifest my desires and intentions into reality. May my chi grant me the strength to release all fears and doubts. I step into my power with confidence. The spirit of the Divine Mother and Creator of the universe rests in my chi. I am able to nurture my ideas, create and exceed all expectations with ease. As the wind never blows in vain, my prayers shall always be heard and answered. As the sun never fails to rise each day, my chi will never fail to show up for me. I give my chi permission to war against those who war against me, fight against those who fight against me, and bless those who bless me. I bless my chi with the grace to help me forgive those who are ignorant in their actions against me, and pave the way for forgiveness to be granted to me when I err. I give and receive grace freely. I am blessed. My chi is a perfect channel for divine intelligence to flow into this world. I am highly favored and protected. My chi always works for me and never against me.